That was probably the best thing I've ever done in my life, and that includes marrying you.
Oh my god!
Okay, hang on. Let's see if we can do this. Hands a little higher, drawer, and ready. Kayla, move the cake over to your left. Ready, and cheese!
I'm losing my mind, trying to stay inside the lines. It's like you're running in place. Yeah. How you keep staying the same. Yeah. But baby, I guess I'm something different, and I'm okay with that. I can't fake no more smiles. That shit gon' drive me mad. I'm focused on the future, don't care about nothing else. I'm better by myself.
What's up, Flip fam? We are on the way to the airport, which means today is a very exciting day for two reasons. Number one, we get to travel, and number two, Kayla is turning 30. Oh. Say bye-bye to your 20s, yo, bitch. Anyways, that guy that you saw in the picture earlier, his name is Jordan. It's one of Kayla's childhood best friends, and we're going down there to see them, and we're very excited because we just haven't got to see friends in a while. We haven't got to travel in a while. We're vaccinated, they're vaccinated, so we feel pretty confident this is gonna be a good trip. So let's go to Texas!
Of course we're delayed.
All right, here's a hot tip for you. If you ever see a Torchy's taco, go in, obviously, order the trailer park, and this is key, you gotta ask for it trashy.
Syrup in my hair.
Now, saying these is good biscuits is high praise coming from a southerner. Plus, we need all them carbs for the activities, ain't that right, babe?
Yeah, we're gonna go play putt-putt today. It's supposed to be the hardest course in the world, according to them.
If anybody wants to know, we're doing
Great.
Well, we got the whole night left to losing. Baby, nothing ain't matter doing. Baby, just to be so close to you. Baby, it's your one bed. Baby, it's your
We just got finished pickleball, and it's my new favorite American pastime.
That's what I love.
I'm a big pickleball fan now. We're pickle people. We're picklers. Picklers. We're picklers.
This part of time to get crazy. Out in the pool to be lazy.
Well, it's cool to see some live music again. Now we're gonna cap it off with some Amy's ice cream. That is a long line. Okay, so that one was a little crowded. We're gonna be going up the road to a different Amy's, but still the same great ice cream with, why am I giving a commercial for Amy's? Who cares? You guys have never been to Austin, Texas, go to Amy's ice cream. It's good.
It's true.
hop in here for a second, I wanted to talk about something, and not the severe coffee addiction that runs my life. I want to talk about this VR gaming experience. At first, I didn't want to do it. It sounded lame. I could not have been more wrong.
Aim for the glowing pods!
That was freaking awesome.
It was really fun.
Yeah,
Thanks,
I really appreciate it. Thank you again.
That was sick.
That was probably the best thing I've ever done in my life, and that includes marrying you.
Oh my god!
Round the corner, I thought I'd seen you. Heard won't stop spinning round. Make your decision now. Heard won't stop spinning. Love me or let me out. Round the corner, I started seeking.
Happy birthday, dear Kayla. Happy birthday to you. Heart won't stop spinning round. Make your decision now.
This is so good.
Heart won't stop spinning. Love me or let me out. Don't stop spinning round. Make your decision now. Make your decision. Don't stop spinning. Love me or let me out.
Alright, is this off?
No.
For more.
We're back from Texas. We hope you enjoyed that vlog. If you're here for the house stuff specifically and the house flipping, don't worry, we got you covered. We've got a ton of awesome content coming up. We've actually had to delete more videos than we've been able to put out just because everything we touch seems to keep falling through. Because the real estate market right now is crazy. I mean, we've went to auction after auction. We've tried to buy land to build a barn-dominium, and we've made offers on houses in 4 different states, and it seems like everything just keeps falling through. And I'm not talking we've been picky, looking for easy, quick flips. We've been looking at the hard flips. Haunted houses, for sure got meth heads living in the basement, grass growing through your living room, houses. We've been out there grinding, trying to find the perfect project for the next part of this channel, and we think we found it. We've got a bunch of awesome stuff on the horizon that you won't want to miss, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you're subscribed, hit the like button, and yeah, check us out next week when you can watch us turn an old closet into a bathroom. Other than that, we'll catch you on the flip side. Bye.
Heart won't stop spinning round.